welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have a little helper with me. This is Parker. You probably remember him from some of my wreath tutorial videos. Today I am going to be sharing with you what I got my kids for Easter. So I'm going to share with you what's in their Easter basket for 2020. So give me just a second and I will share with you. I got each of my kids one of these squishable little pillows, and this is, I believe this one's the medium size, and it's around $5 at Walmart. Oh, has a cute little tail. So this one's for my daughter. And then I also got her this cute little tie-dyed beach towel. So these were also around $5, $4.88, because we're always going to the lake and to the beach, and so I like to throw in something a little different because my kids are a little bit older now. I used to get them a set of PJs, so if you have little ones, PJs might be a cute option instead of a beach towel. Also, I like to get my kids puzzles. Now this is for an older child, but you can find them for younger ones too. So I like to add a puzzle in their Easter basket. This cute little pail came from Walmart, and I think it was $4 and something, and this is for my daughter, and it's metal, and it has cute little llamas on it, and they're carrying Easter baskets. So I thought this would be perfect not only for Easter, but also for the summer, in case you like to take things to the beach and you have a little one that likes to play in the sand. So I got them both these little metal pails at Walmart. And now I'm going to show you some things that's in my daughter's Easter basket first. So first I picked up some cute little hair barrettes, and these are Time and True brand, and they're $3.88. Now they have a lot of the hair scrunchies and the headbands too. I think the headbands are around $4.88. So I got her a hair accessory. I also got her some flavored lip balm, and this is Hershey Kisses, and it says Hoppy Easter, and it's milk chocolate scent, and it says it's made with shea butter and I don't know how to say this, jojoba oil. I hope I said that right. So I got her some lip balm, hair barrettes, and then we always have to throw in something fun too. So I picked her up this cute little Hot Wheels, and these are around $1 at Walmart. And then I'm going to show you a couple things we found at Dollar Tree. So I don't know what's going to be in this. It's a mystery. So these could be neat for a girl or a boy. So these were at Dollar Tree for $1. And also these were at Dollar Tree for $1. So I got one for my daughter's basket. Okay. Then we also have some bath bombs, and these came in a larger container from Crayola, and they're in the Easter section at Walmart. So I thought they would be fun to put in each child's Easter basket. So you can kind of adjust your Easter baskets according to your child's age. So I thought the bath bombs would be fun. It colors the water. So I got them some bath bombs each. And then of course we have to add a little bit of chocolate. So this is some M&Ms, and they come in a cute egg. And then we have the Easter Bunny, the milk chocolate Russell Stover Easter Bunny. Oops. And then I thought this was cute with the little fuzz at the top. And these are Sour Bright Crawlers minis. So I thought these were a neat candy, and she can save the egg if she wants. Also, we have some Peeps, and these are Fruit Loops brand flavored pop. I think everyone likes to play with bubbles no matter how old you are. So these were around $1 at Walmart, and I got my son some bubbles also. And then when I put it together, I will add this Easter grass, and it was around $1. And I think there's something else in there. Oh yes. I also got her some nail polish, and this is the Sally Hansen brand, and they have this in all kinds of jelly bean and Easter colors right now. So this one is Pink Blink. So I thought nail polish is something that's neat for an older child to put in their Easter basket. So give me just a second and we'll show you what I got for my son. Okay, now I am going to show you my son's Easter basket. First I wanted to show you the container that the bath bombs come in. This is also in the Easter section at Walmart. So there's, I think, around 8 bath bombs. So I put some in each child's Easter basket. And I also got my son one of these cute squishy pillows from Walmart. So they're perfect size for if you're going on a trip or something and you want to rest your head. So I got this one for him. And then I also got him a beach towel at Walmart for around $5, and they have lots of cute designs. And then I got him a pail with sharks on it, and it's also metal, and I think it was around $4.88. And so here's what we got him. These came from Dollar Tree. Now I know he's a little bit older, but if he doesn't like this, he can always give it to his sister. And so I picked him up one of these. And then I always like these washcloths, and they, it's a one magic towel. Now I picked this one up at Walmart, but Dollar Tree has these too. And so they expand in the water and make a regular size washcloth. So I got him one of those. Then here's the bath bombs. And then we got him a Hot Wheels. And these are Reese's Pieces eggs. And these are from Walmart. And then I got him some Pringles chips. They have a really cute can for Easter. And then here's some bubbles from Walmart. Now we always like to take these glow wands when we go camping. So I got each of them a glow wand. And they have some with bunnies and different shapes that go on the top. And then he's allergic to milk chocolate, so I got him a white fudge Russell Stover Easter bunny. And then I got him a blue Easter grass to go in his. And then sometimes it's nice to put a plastic Easter egg in and maybe put some money or a special treat in an Easter egg for them. And give me just one more second and I'll show you something else. I forgot to show you this sidewalk chalk my daughter and I like to draw on the driveway. So I thought this was nice, and it's got the little holder for the chalk, and it says 3 pieces. And they had some with other designs too. So this could be used for older kids too. And then if you don't want to use candy, you can always go with some juice boxes or bottles of juice or water, or add some fruit into their Easter basket, or maybe a Rice Krispie treat. So there's lots of options. So I hope I gave you some ideas, and most everything came from Walmart and Dollar Tree. So these are very budget friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And I hope you'll have a wonderful night.